Good morning, everybody. We have news this morning at 9 o'clock around this time. I'm just on here looking at my chart, seeing if we can possibly catch a setup. You see, price is currently on the 1 minute chart. This is NQ, by the way. On the 1 minute, you see that price is rejecting off this area, this support. So if we get a continuation higher, probably up to about 640, I'll be looking to take profit in this short long here. Well, in this quick long trade, short long, and this quick, real quick scalp. And so I'm going to move my stop loss into profit fairly quickly on this trade due to the fact that this is a high volume event. I'm going to put my stop loss right there. Let's see if we can possibly get a breakout, or if it might or it may reject here at this level, at the supply level, and continue on the downtrend that NQ has been on. So I'm just going to keep an eye on it and see what it wants to do here. Hope everybody is doing good this morning. Weather is okay here. Okay, I got stopped out there for 130. Maybe looking to get short here off this rejection. If I'm going back long, I would want to come back to this retest zone where we've been coming from. So if I was going to be getting long, I would go here. On the short position, I would want a break below these lows. So if I get a break below these lows, that would also indicate a rejection off supply, a break through support, and also this trend line here. This would be a trend line break. And so I would be good with price breaking here through this mini support. And okay, currently in short NQ, one contract. Once again, I will be keeping an eye on my stop loss in this trade. There's the trend line break I was telling you about. Move into profit. Okay, stopped out there, 385. Let's see if we're going to get a break below these lows. I'd be good with getting a break below here. Okay, into the trade with my stop loss here above resistance. So technically, this failed support should now become resistance. So the floor, once you break through the floor, this should become the roof or the ceiling. Theoretically, that price should not break above this level. It should reject and continue to go lower. I will probably be looking for price to get down to around 380, 19,380 to 360 will be the area I'll be looking to take profit. See if we can break through this support here. Maybe on this candle close, I'll move into profit. Let's see, we want a rejection here on this candle to break these lows. Okay, there's the rejection. I'm going to move my stop loss into profit. This is a risk-free trade. Okay, I'm currently now at my take profit. I was just targeting the lows here that we're currently at. And so I'm probably going to move my stop loss at these lows. So if price wants to continue to go lower, I'm going to let it go. But if not, I'm good with being stopped out right here and being my trade for the day. Real quick setup. I like the price action, the way price is moving. It's clean, simple. Like I said, we had a trend line break. We had a double top, I guess, or reject. Okay, stopped out there. Profit, end of the trade, end of the day. Thank you guys for tuning in. If you guys need anything, got any questions, just don't hesitate to ask me. I'll see you guys on the next one. Yeah, have a good one.